Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys two ways to increase your cosmetic inventory in Grow a Garden. So if you go to shops here, if you scroll down, there is this which you can purchase by clicking on it. It's already max for me, but I think the price goes up. You do purchase it in shekels, by the way, so you don't have to use your Robux for this. And there's also Ascension. If you get like 20 garden coins, hold on. Or is it 15? Okay, so you will need 20 garden coins to unlock 10 additional slots for your cosmetic inventory. I have upgraded it once, and there's 4 left, so I can technically unlock an additional 50 slot in my cosmetics inventory, but I do need to ascend a few times. Okay, so I have 5 garden coins right now. I'm trying to do the math in my head. I'm not very bright at math, if I'm being honest. I'm not proud of it. I'm just saying. Okay, so if you have 0 garden coins, you will need to ascend 4 times for just 10 additional slots. I don't know. I think it's worth it if you would want to decorate your garden, but if not, I would just save that for later and do the pet inventories first. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.